Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Explained by Bala. My name is Balagnath Reddy, and in this video you will learn how to enable your Windows system for power users. Now, what do I mean by that? I'll show you a couple of examples to you. Okay. In your system, can you do these things? Like, let's say I have this run bar. I can do calculations in this, or I can open up any application with this, or I can even shut down my system. Yep. Okay, the next one. Let's say you have an image and there's a text on that image and you wanted to copy this text. Let's say from this image I wanted to copy this text. Yeah. Usually we can't copy the text from the images, but with this tool we can. So I can just press Windows Shift T on my system. Yep, this will open up. So if I select the area of the text that I want to copy on the image and leave it. Now it's copied the text. Now let me show it to you. I open the notepad. Yes, can you see? It copied exactly. Yeah. Okay, let's remove these things. Now the next one. Now let's say you are doing some online shopping. Let's say you open up the browser and you're doing some online shopping and you wanted to calculate a lot of like discounts or something. Yeah, so for that you will open the calculator. Okay, let me open the calculator. Okay, yeah, so the calculator is open up. So whenever let's say you did some calculation, yeah, then you enter the browser. Yeah, it will disappear, but you want to keep this calculator on top always. How can we do that? Yeah, with the tool I'm having I can do that. So I can just press Windows Control T. You have to first select the calculator, and if you press Windows Control T, yeah, see, can you see this always stays on top. So whatever you can do your browsing and you can open multiple windows, this always will be there. You can do your calculations here. Okay, how can we enable all these things? So for this you need to install a tool called Microsoft PowerToys. So you can open up your browser and type Microsoft PowerToys. Yep, and you will see the first search. See, it is from Microsoft. So don't need to worry, because this works seamlessly well with your system. So click on, maybe you can install this, or when you click on the first link it will show about this Microsoft Power Challenge, like PowerToys. Yeah, so you can click here, install PowerToys, and in this section they will explain a lot of the requirements. You should have Windows this like version 2004 or later, and Windows 11 all versions will work. Okay, now they're showing a couple of ways you can install this, but I'll be using this option, like with the executable file I'll be installing. Okay, so click on here and you can see. So for me this works. Based on your system configuration you can download anything. So I click on this link, so it will automatically start downloading it. Okay, now if you don't want to do in this way, you can actually open the Microsoft store and you can search for Microsoft PowerToys. Yep, so you can search for Microsoft PowerToys, and the first option, yep, you can see this is Microsoft PowerToys. You can directly install from here, but if you don't have this in your Microsoft store, so this is the best way to install. So I have the executable file with me, it's downloaded. Okay, since I already have this already installed, let me quickly uninstall this. Okay, I will just uninstall. I will open control panel. Okay, I will click on uninstall a program, then find the Microsoft PowerToys. Now I will uninstall this. Yep. Okay, it uninstalled successfully. Now let me go and install it for you. So you can open the download section on your system. You can see this file, PowerToys setup. Okay, this is already downloaded. See, it's just not downloaded. Now click on it, open it. It's opening up. Yep, once it's open, yes, you have to agree to the licenses and terms and conditions and click on install. That's it. It will do the installation. and yeah, it might take, maybe depends on this system processing speed. So for me it's almost done. Okay, it installed successfully, and let me close this, and I'll go ahead and open this PowerToys. Yep, it's here. Okay, open this, and you can see a lot of utilities under this application. Okay, so the earlier things that I showed you, see, this is always on top feature, and I also showed you text extractor. Yeah, and one more thing I showed you, what was that? The PowerToys Run. So this is, so you can use alt space, and see, I can just click on alt space. Yep, it opened up, and I can do calculations, or you can open up, like you can do pretty much like searching of this. You can open files, you can open applications, and you can some calculations, like all those things. Okay, let me tell you like few more useful things, like see this advanced paste. So you can actually enable this advanced paste using an API key that you have. Okay, and see, like let's say you have a Python code copied, and you wanted to format that to C# language. You can do that. Once you can copy, and you have to just type this, and it will automatically does that. See, there's a color picker, so you can, this will be useful when if you're designer, front-end designer, or somebody working with a lot of colors, you want to pick some colors. So like let's say you are on a website and you want to just pick up this color, you can use this shortcut Windows Shift C, and you just have to hover on whatever the color you wanted to take. See, it identifies all the colors. Let's say now I want to take this colors from this PowerToys. You can click on it, it copies, and yeah, you can see it shows the all the different ways that you can use this coloring scheme. You can use the hexadecimal, RGB, or HSL. Yeah, it's pretty useful. And this awake feature, it's a awake feature, like if your PC is running on some long applications for hours, and if you want to keep this awake always, you can use this feature. And image restager. Okay, so if you want to learn all about all these features, I will you can watch my full-length video of this Microsoft PowerToys, how to use this PowerToys. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you felt this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you.